So, I'm on my mooring, and, you know, hanging out on my mooring, and day goes by, do stuff, and then I smoke a little bit of pot. God damn it, gets me in trouble. Not bad trouble. Just stone trouble. So I get the munchies. And I don't have very much left on the boat. I got flatbread. I've got a wiener. Leftover chili. Cheese. That's about it. So, cook up this concoction called a chili cheese hot dog burrito. I preface though, earlier that day, doing my things, I was sharpening knives. And as I was checking, you know, how sharp my knife was, I fucking cut my thumb. Yeah, so I put one of those big Band-Aids on it, you know, the cloth ones, like the thumb Band-Aids. And, yeah, then proceeded, you know, with all the smoking and cooking and stuff like that. So, this is a greasy fucking thing, right? So I figured I'd grease offset it by putting some kale in it. Yeah. Wrap it up. It's overstuffed, of course. I'm trying to eat it. And if you let one of these things go, it's just not going to be a burrito anymore. So I'm trying to eat this burrito without letting it go. It's an oily, greasy mess, even with the kale, which added an extra layer of chewiness to a burrito, which you don't want, right? Burritos are chewy. Anyways, eating this goddamn thing. And I finish, and my hands are a fucking mess, right? You're eating a fucking greasy burrito. Noticed, my Band-Aid's gone. Yeah. Ate the Band-Aid. Just fucking stay away from kale. It's just bad. Peace.